Hello folks, we've got Finaroli number 8 from book 1. This is a really cool Partimenti. There's a little trick in here that we haven't talked about yet. So at the opening and at the closing, this is in C major. And we've got a whole bunch of rule of the octave. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, 3/8 could be fast. Sometimes in 3/8, I would think maybe we're just doing 1, 3, 1, and 3. But because of the way this is figured, there's a figure on every eighth note in the first bar and every eighth note in the second bar. So it's really telling me that this is going to be a much slower 3/8. And so we're not going to do this. We're going to have a chord on every beat. So that means if the harmonic rhythm is faster, so there's more chords over a shorter period of time, that means the general tempo of this is going to be slower. So we've got 6, 5, 4, 3, and then we've got a simple cadence here, 4, 2, 5, 1. I don't know if I'm actually in C. Then we keep going and we get this little bit of sequence. So we've got up 2, down 3, so up 2 here, down 3, up 2. And then we have a little bit of up 4, down 5 here. And so the 7 and the third, you can even see from the way the figures are given, the third's going to be A flat. We're going to hold that A flat because it's going to be the 7 in the next beat. So we get a little bit of the up 4 down sequence, up 4 down 5 sequence with the 7s and the thirds alternating. This here, the scale degree 5, so we've got a cadence here, and now we're in E flat major. And we repeat this same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So here we go. If we keep going, so we're just at the edge here. We've got E natural with a 6, 5 above it, so that tells me this is scale degree 7, going over to here to 1. So that means that we are in F minor here. And then we have the same thing again. Going up to scale degree 6, back down with a simple cadence in F minor. We get an F sharp, 7 going to 1, 7 going to 1, and another iteration of this same thing happening in G major. Now over here we get this alternating. If we're in G major, this is 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, and we've got a 6 here. Because we have no figures, we're going to assume that we've got a 5, 3 here, and we've got the 6, 5 here. So this, if we just think about this in terms of chords, this is going to be G, this is going to be a C chord, and this is going to be a G7 chord. No, I just want to hop ahead for a second. Here we've got 5, 3 above this, and then above this we've got a 6, 4. A fifth and a third above C is an E and a G. A sixth and a fourth above this G is a C and an E. So this here is a figured version of this right here. This 6-5 is going to be the 7-5. This 5-3 is going to be the 6-4. And this 6 is going to be the 5-3. And this is a really cool dominant pedal. Even though we're in, we've had a cadence in G major. We don't know it quite yet, but this is acting as a dominant pedal to back into C minor. And this is a really common thing that happens in a lot of pieces, especially about 2/3 of the way through as we're getting towards a section break. Then we do it again. So we're in C minor here. We go, we've got the 6. Here we've got 5-3 above that. 6. And then this is acting like scale degree 7, going to 1. And then we're back in C minor. So we're really temporarily in F minor. We're back in C major here. We have our pedal point. This time it's a tonic pedal point. This time it is again pushing us into F minor. We have scale degree 7 here. So we're going back to C minor. We do this thing from the beginning again and have a final cadence. 4, 2, 5, 1, and we're done.